go again. This is a car I've known many years. It's a 2011, so it's a little bit older, but my word, what lovely condition it's in. It's a Renault Kangoo 1600cc Expression model, which was the top model with nice interior trim, seat height adjustment, flight boxes in the back for storage. Generally, all very, very nice. It's automatic, it's air conditioning. Got all its books from new, which are down here. There's the instructions for the conversion, old MOTs, handbooks, service record. Not too many services with such a low mileage. That seats 3 people, plus the wheelchair. We've also got a winch, and the straps are attached. These are the safety straps, so we switch those up now to lock. So if anything went wrong, it would be held safely, the wheelchair, and when you're in with the wheelchair, it stops it rolling backwards. There's an interesting point, the rear seat there does fold if you need extra room. There's the flight boxes for storage, picnic tables. So we've got the winch on, you just press the in button. Yeah, we're all right. I thought the brakes were on the wheelchair. So I'm just pressing and guiding. There you are, we're in as easy as that. Then these straps, you adjust them to clip on the back, put the seat belt on. I'm going to tell you about the ramp now. It's got one of the lightest ramps in the business, gas strut assisted. So sort of £1, I suppose, to pull it up. Then it wants to go up on its own. So there we are, we're in. So the ignition's on. That's its mileage from new, absolutely guaranteed. There's its air conditioning. Switch on. We've got radio CD with display there, and you can adjust it when you're driving along using these. And we'll just start it up for fun. There we are, we've got on there computer, next service, 16 miles now we've been doing, 150 miles worth of fuel. Pottering around here, we've done 30 miles to the gallon. It's ULEZ free. There's your electric mirrors, electric windows. So, good looking car, not too big. I think it'll do someone proud. Thank you for looking. I'll look forward to your contact. Bye.